Shandong Szeshang Welding Materials Company Limited, covers a factory area of 38,000 square meters with a construction area of 28,000 square meters and a total investment of RMB 1.3 billion. It's committed to making welding for innovation, green, environment-friendly, energy-saving. This is our welding electrode production line. The main model we can produce, including normal welding electrode, such as E6013, E6011, E7015, E7016, E7018. Stainless steel welding electrode, such as E308L-16, E309L-16, E316L-16, and hard-facing welding electrode, such as D212 D256 D658 D688. The annual output exceeds 8,000 tons for stainless steel and special welding electrode. Our welding electrodes are rigorously tested and compliant with AWS international standards.